is Vicky Wong. Today, we will discuss about the effect of air pollution in human health. We will cover introduction, cause and source, chemical process, and also we will provide some example. Next, we will provide effect on human and environment. Lastly is conclusion. The effect of air pollution is not only affected in human body, it affects all life form and entire planet. Emission from vehicle, industry degrade air quality. This cause harmful to our health and it impact the environment by reducing visibility and blocking sunlight, causing acid rain and harming forest, wildlife, and agriculture. According to the WHO, this leads to 7 million annual deaths. This is very serious. Let's look at the main pollutant. They are PM10, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. PM10 is particulate matter consists of a blend of liquid and solid drops made with largest particle, originating from sources like windblown dust, sea spray, and pollen. PM10 significantly impacts health negatively and is typically regulated through framework. Nitrogen dioxide is a gas released during the combustion of fuel in gas tune, vehicle, factory, and power plants. Sulfur dioxide is mainly generated when fossil fuels are burned in power plants, residences, and industry. Ground level ozone forms when gases like nitrogen dioxide chemically interact with sunlight. There are two types of air pollution, which is outdoor and indoor. Outdoor we call as ambient air pollution. This is a very serious environmental health issue that affected people in high, medium, and low income countries, alleged due to its common source, the burning of fossil fuel, degrade the air quality. Next is household air pollution, we call as indoor. Many causes by using petroleum and solid fuel, such as wood, crop waste, charcoal, carbon dioxide, and open flames. The majority of these people reside in low and medium income nations, and they are poor.
Hi, my name is Petroni Tarikni. I will continue our presentation with the causes and the source of air pollution. There are two causes of air pollution. The first one is from natural causes and the second one from human activity. So I will explain them one by one on the next slide. Okay, the first one I will talk about natural causes. Air pollution can arise from a variety of natural sources which can significantly impact air quality. So some of the main natural causes of air pollution include, the first one is wildfire. Wildfire are uncontrolled fire that spread rapidly through vegetation. They can occur naturally, often ignited by lightning strike or because by human activity. The second one is volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption occur when magma from beneath the earth crust is expelled through the surface, releasing gas, ash, and other material. The third one is dust storm. Dust storm occur when strong wind lift large quantity of dust and sand from the ground, especially in arid and semi-arid region. Okay, the fourth one is biological processes. There have two. The first one is trees and plants. Plants release volatile organic compound as part of their normal metabolic processes. The second one is decomposition of organic matter. When plant and animals and other organic material decompose, they release gases as a byproduct. The next slide, I will talk about human activity. So the first one is industrial emission, refer to the pollutant released into the atmosphere from industrial facility such as power plant, oil refineries, factory and manufacturing plants. So these facilities burn fossil fuel like a coal, oil and natural gas to produce energy or manufacturing goods, which lead to the release of various harmful pollutants. The second one is residential heating and cooking. This involves the use of fuels such as wood, coal, natural gas, and other biofuel. This activity can release pollutant into both indoor and outdoor air, affecting air quality and health. Now, next I will talk about agriculture. So this involves various activities related to farming and livestock production. So this activity can release several types of pollutant into the atmosphere. So animals such as cow and sheep also can produce methane during digestion. Last but not least, I will explain about waste management. So this encompasses the collection, transportation, and disposal of solid waste. This process can produce air pollutant, especially when waste is not managed properly. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shifong. I'm going to present to you the chemistry of the air pollutions. The chemical process of the air pollution involves the transformation, reaction, and interaction of various pollutants in the air. Pollutants are categorized into two major types based on how they are originated, which is primary and the secondary pollutants. Primary pollutants are released directly from the source into the air in a harmful form, such as carbon monoxide, which accounted to 58% of the air pollution's particles. Volatile organic compounds, or we known as VOC, is contribute about 11%. Nitrogen oxides 15%, sulfur dioxide 13%, and other particular materials about 3% to the total pollutants. Secondary pollutants are produced through reactions between primary pollutants and normal atmospheric compounds. For example, ground level ozone forms over urban areas through reactions powered by the sunlight between primary pollutants like oxides of nitrogen and other atmospheric gases such as VOC. These pollutants will lead to the formation of harmful compounds and affects the air quality through various processes such as combustion reactions, photochemical reactions, acid-base reaction, atmospheric chemistry, and particular matters formation. Now, let us go through each of the reaction. What is combustion reaction? Combustion is actually a process of a chemical reaction between oxygen and hydrocarbon that produces energy, water, heat, carbon dioxide, and other particles. Major indoor combustion pollutants are like carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, fine and ultrafine particles, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, and formaldehydes. At elevated levels, these pollutants could cause major health. Photochemical reactions: when pollutants like nitrogen oxides and volatile organic compounds interact with sunlight, they undergo photochemical reactions that produces ground-level ozone and other harmful substances. Ozone is a major component of smog and can cause respiratory problems like eye irritations and damage to vegetation. Acid-base reaction occurs when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides react with moisture in the air to form sulfuric acids and nitric acids. These pollutants could lead to acid rain that harm the ecosystem, soil quality, aquatic life, and even infrastructure, impacting both the environment and human health. What about atmospheric chemistry? Pollutants that release into the atmosphere can undergo complex chemical reactions with other compounds such as ozone, hydroxyl radicals, and other reactive species. This reaction can lead to the formation of secondary pollutants like peroxide acetyl nitrate, formaldehyde, and other toxic substances, further impacting air quality and human health. Particulate matter formation is a mixture of solid particles and liquid droplets suspended in the air, comprising compounds like nitrates, sulfates, organic carbons, and metal. These particles can form through various processes, including combustion, industrial emissions, and natural sources like dust and pollens, contribute to the respiratory issues, cardiovascular problems, and reduced visibility. In summary, chemical processes of air pollution involve a combination of emissions, reactions, transformation, and interactions of pollutants in the atmosphere, resulting in the formation of harmful compounds, smoke, acid rains, and particulate matters that poses environmental and health risks. Understanding these processes is crucial for developing effective strategies to mitigate air pollution and reduce emissions and improve air quality for a sustainable and healthy environment.
Hi, my name is Bae Yong Fei. Now I want to talk about the air pollution effect on human and environment. First effects on human health I want to talk about is respiratory problem. First is asthma. Polluted air can make asthma worse, causing more attack. Tiny particles can and ozone in the air can irritate and narrow the airway. Second is a chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD). Breathing polluted air for a long time, especially from things like cigarette smoke and car exhaust, can lead to COPD. This disease included chronic bronchitis and emphysema, which make it hard to breathe. Second is cardiovascular disease like heart attack and stroke. Tiny particles in polluted air can get into the lungs and then the bloodstream, causing inflammation. This can lead to heart attack and stroke. Next is the high blood pressure. Breathing polluted air can raise blood pressure, which increase the risk of heart disease. Third effects on human health is cancer. The mostly is the lung cancer because of breathing in certain pollutant like benzene, asbestos, and tiny particles can cause lung cancer. Also like other cancer, some pollution can cause other type of cancer like bladder cancer. Number four is the premature death. Air pollution is a major cause of early death, with millions of people dying each year because of bad air quality. And then the another effect is on environment. First effect on environment is the climate change, like greenhouse gas pollutant like carbon dioxide, methane, and black carbon trap heat in the atmosphere cause the planet to warm up. Climate feedback loop. Air pollution can change climate system, making global warming worse and altering weather pattern. Number two is ecosystem and biodiversity, like acid rain. Pollution from sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide can create acid rain. This rain make water and soil more acidic, harming fish, forests, and plants. Next is ozone depletion. Some pollutants like CFC they damage the ozone layer. This let more harmful UV ray reach the Earth, which can hurt wildlife and ecosystem. Number three is a soil and water quality, like contamination. Polluter can settle on soil and in water. This harming plant growth, reducing crop yield, and affecting water quality. Next is the eutrophication. Too many nutrition from air pollution, mainly nitrogen, can cause too much algae to grow in the water. This depletes oxygen and harm fish. and other aquatic life. Number four is the visibility and aesthetic value, like smoke and haze. Airborne particulates and other pollutants reduce visibility, leading to hazy conditions that detract from natural landscape and urban environment. The conclusion is air pollution is very harmful to our health and the environment. It can cause serious health problems like asthma, heart disease, cancer, and even early death. It also damages our environment by contributing to climate change, acid rain, and harming wildlife and plants. To reduce air pollution, we need to use cleaner energy sources, improve public transportation, and enforce strict pollution law. Educating people about the danger of air pollution and encouraging them to reduce their emission is also important. By working together and making these changes, we can improve our health and protect the environment for future generations. Thank you.